Okay, we're gonna do the fluffy bunny challenge, but instead of popcorn, because I don't have any marshmallows. Are you ready?
Yep.
Okay. Fluffy popcorn.
Fluffy popcorn.
Fluffy popcorn.
Fluffy
Not
popcorn.
chew it.
Not chewing it.
Fluffy popcorn.
Fluffy popcorn.
Fluffy popcorn.
Fluffy popcorn.
Fluffy popcorn.
Fluffy popcorn.
This can go on for a long time. Fluffy popcorn.
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 Popcorn.
That doesn't count. Fluffy popcorn.
Fluffy popcorn.
Fluffy popcorn.
Fluffy. Wait, fluffy popcorn.
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 I'm chewing it.
No, I'm not. It's popping there, right?
Fluffy popcorn.
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 Popcorns.
Fluffy popcorn.
Fluffy popcorn.
Fluffy popcorns.
Fluffy popcorn.
Fluffy popcorns. This is a retarded video.
Look at my words. Fluffy popcorn.
Fluffy popcorn.
Fluffy popcorn.
Fluffy popcorn.
Fluffy popcorn.
Fluffy popcorn. Fluffy popcorn.
Fluffy popcorn.
Fluffy popcorn.
Fluffy popcorn.
Fluffy popcorn.
Fluffy popcorn.
Fluffy popcorn.
Fluffy popcorn.
Fluffy popcorn.
Fluffy popcorn.
Fluffy popcorn.
Fluffy popcorn.
Fluffy popcorn.
Fluffy popcorn. Yeah, you just showed it.
Fluffy popcorn.
Fluffy popcorn.
Fluffy popcorn.
You have to stop chewing. Fluffy popcorn.
I'm off.
Fluffy popcorn. Fluffy popcorn. I'm gonna do it until I can do it anymore. Fluffy popcorn. Fluffy popcorn. Fluffy popcorn. Fluffy popcorn. Alright, you know what? I give up. I had a lot in my mouth, but you know, there's a lot of popcorn left.
This is a stupid challenge I came up with.
Yeah, and it's taking so long, so peace out, people.